This video will cover the replacement of a fuel pressure regulator for a B230F 1990 Volvo 240. This can be completed during a coffee break. Place a towel or similar under the fuel pressure regulator to absorb fuel during removal. Loosen the clamp on the fuel return hose. Disconnect the vacuum hose. Unscrew the regulator from the bracket. Pull and remove the regulator from the fuel rail, and disconnect the fuel return hose. Inspect your new fuel pressure regulator. Lubricate the rubber gasket which inserts into the fuel rail. Reconnect the fuel return hose. Gently push the side of the regulator with the rubber gasket into the connecting port of the fuel rail. Reconnect the vacuum hose. Secure the regulator to the bracket with the top and bottom screws. Tighten the hose clamp. Start your car, and inspect for any leaks. Then you're done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.